So good evening guys. The last time we did a video in this channel, uh, I promised you that we were going to do a speed test for the Starlink after we did the installation. So finally we went back to Mwingi and we are doing the installation of the Starlink. So as you can see, we are at the rooftop right now, and we are undertaking the installation so that we can continue with our business. And since we are internet service providers in the area, we decided to upgrade. Remember, we have always used the Airtel 5G box, but because of the data caps and the fluctuations that we have been experiencing, we decided to do the Starlink installation, which will serve about close to 300 clients at a go. Crazy, right? Yeah, but all in all, I'm going to show you the speed tests that we got at the site and in the rural area of Mwingi. And it was really a good thing that we are now not struggling with anything like speeds in the area. We're able to serve all our clients diligently, sufficiently, and reliably. So we came along to do this installation. This was on a Sunday afternoon, and all was success, pure success, let me tell you. So we did start by checking an area on the rooftop that is open to receiving signals from the skies, the satellites from the Starlink servers. So after identifying the place, we did tie up the stand of the Starlink to the nails on the rooftop. And since this is the actuated kit, it would always find itself the best signals that it can acquire from the skies by itself. So there's no need to face any direction during installation or anything. So we did our installation and completed, and then from there we log into the system. Okay, first you link your device to the Wi-Fi of the Starlink so that you can see the progress of the system during the time that it searches for satellites in the skies. So at this particular time, you are searching for the signals through the Wi-Fi, so you can see the progress of the Starlink itself trying to get the Starlink satellites communication. So you can see we are connected to the Starlink itself. So let's see how it goes. So you can see it's already searching, so it searches by itself. You have no interference or anything. The only thing you have to ensure is that the sky is directly facing your dish, such that there is no trees or any objects above the same. So we continued searching. It kept us waiting for about, let's say, 4 to 8 minutes. So on the app, you are prompted to select your kit type. After selection, you're told to scan the area of the sky that you placed your kit, so that it learns if the sky is clear or not. And definitely we were sure that this was clear, so we were sure that the place that we installed the same, there were no any obstructions since we are on top of the roof. So we scanned the sky twice, and the green light is that the app will show you a blue area on the app, such that the blue indicates that you have no obstructions at all. But if you have red areas on the app, when you finish your scan, it means that your obstructions are causing no good signal. So after the results, you'll see a good experience for the streaming, web browsing, video calling, and online gaming. That means you have a very, very good signal status of the dish. So it prompted us to scan again. We did the same for a second time. So we scanned the sky. This we'll find all this on the app. I'll do a detailed review on how to operate the Starlink app, even when you're far away from the connection of the Starlink Wi-Fi itself. So we did another scanning, and all you were seeing is a green light, and we were so happy because there were no obstructions at all from where we installed our dish. Yeah, so we relaxed and waited for our Starlink to connect to the internet. So finally we were here with everything good, and we are ready to activate. So if you have a Starlink account, you just add, but if you're new, you have to create a new account. That's simply by using your email address, and in less than a minute they will send you an account details. So you just have to use your email and create a password that you can be logging in through. That's through the Starlink.com. So afterwards we were able to connect all through, and speeds were there to be tested. So we did our tests, and you can see we were achieving up to about 150 Mbps. That's in the rural part of Mwingi, you can imagine. So our speed test led us all the way to 150 Mbps up to 210 Mbps. Since we are suppliers of internet, we had to break our connection at the router point in such a way that we used the Starlink Ethernet adapter to break the connection before it gets into the router, to tap it into our MikroTik client manager. So that's how it's done. Just before the dish cable, the satellite dish cable gets into the router, you install the adapter, the Ethernet adapter. Then the connection goes again into the router, where you get the power and the data into the system. That's the Starlink router. Yeah. Then the Ethernet is plugged at the adapter point, where we have an RJ45 port that you can tap our internet to another third-party router, or maybe a computer or a switch. So the choice is yours. For us, we plugged the RJ45 Then okay, the Cat6 cable, Ethernet cable, then plugged it into the microtik so that we could get internet into our network. So after that, you can network your system to provide to clients and sell your internet. So these are set up, and this is serving 150 clients. So yeah, that was our short review of the Starlink. We'll see you later. Thank you.